So hello everyone, my name is Noshin Khanam, and for the NotchUp classes, these are the top 2 that I have been that I have done up until now, and I like them so much. So I'm going to explain them how I did. So first is that, but this one is actually from it's about my school. This web page is about my school. So first is that for the heading, I use the head tag and then I put it in the center using the center tag. And also for the image, I did the same thing. I got an image from the web page and then I paste that link in the src of the image tag and then I paste it here. Here, when you click it, you will go directly to my school page. So this is my school page. Then going back, you can go back from here and I will show you the Instagram page also. So here is the Instagram page of it. Then here is the Twitter page. So all of the buttons are actually active. So I will also show you what's in the next page. For the border, actually I use the border collapse so that all of the borders will be one single line. And here are the contents. For putting them in the center, I actually use text align, which comes under horizontal aligning. Same thing, just like the previous one, I gave the image over here in the center. Going down here, I also learned about the buttons. So these are some of the hoverable buttons I have learned. So I have applied over here. And also for here, these are the shadow buttons. So shadow buttons, I use the box shadow to give the shadows. And for here, I also use it when I was doing the coding sign. Okay, so that's all for the 2 of my projects. I hope you like it.